Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver Canon Pixma. This here for Surya, and you type here the driver download, and this is why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here official website usa.canon.com. This here for Canon support for Pixma. This here for Surya. You click here, link here, this here for the printer. So this loading, this here for the printer. And if you need to load the driver, you click here for title software and driver, click here. And this here for the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows 11 or the Macintosh or the Linux, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system. And if you need change the operating system, select here. And this here for operating system for Linux or Mac and the Windows. And I'm sure for Mac, and this here for Mac version is here. And this here for the Mac version is here. Here for Mac Lion, and this here for Mac uh Hack Catalina and Big Sur, and this here for the Sonoma, the new version for the Mac. And if you make the system for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version, if you need download, you click here, select your the version for the Linux. Okay, if uh, the the video I'm need download driver for Windows, this here, and this here specific I need download driver for Windows 11, and this here for the new version for Windows, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1, this here for Windows 8, Windows 7, and this here for the Windows Vista and the Windows support. And this video I'm going to download the for Windows 11, select here the Windows 11, and this here for the driver Windows 11, March driver Windows 11. And I am recommendation for you. You don't here the master setup for the Windows 11, and this here for recommended for you. And this here for the master setup support your the printer or scanner or the Wi-Fi, and this here for product functionality. You support for the printer. And if you need download, you click here button, red button download, click here. This here for your driver download. If you need install a driver for the U printer, if you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please white finish the for the load. If you finish the for the load, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. And this here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, and this here if you need to load driver the printer only and the Wi-Fi only and the layouts easy layouts editor only, and this here for you select here, you click here for button download for the title, the title your the driver. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you, bye, and the share my video. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you, bye, next time the video.